How to copy and paste messages on Roblox in PC. In this video, I will show you how can you easily copy or paste messages from chat of Roblox. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Roblox application and launch the game which you want to play. Then after, at the top left corner, you will see the option of chat. Simply click on it and click on any of the messages which you want to copy. So to copy it, simply click on the message and then click Ctrl+C or Command+C if you are in Mac. After that, wherever you want to paste that text, go to the application. Here I have opened Notepad and then you can simply paste it by clicking Ctrl+V or Command+V if you are in Mac. If not, you can also paste the message by right-clicking on the blank space and choose the option of paste after that. So that's it. That is how easily you can copy and paste Roblox chat messages on PC. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.